Today's analysis on GBP USD is brought to you by Forex. With Forex, as a trader, you can gain access to over 300, 400 trading instruments from the Forex to stock and crypto with commodity market. So whatever financial markets you trade, right, whatever instruments you trade, with Forex, you can gain access to trade these instruments. Forex is currently offering an exciting offer, which is 30% deposit bonus. So once you visit the site, which is instaforex.com, you open an account and you deposit, we are going to get 30% deposit bonus to actually trade. So make sure you visit, open an account and deposit so you get this exclusive access and bonus. Now, guys, when we take a look at this movement on GBP USD, this is the trend you would want to make use of. Let's remove some distraction so we can see right here. This is our main movement, and our main movement is to the upside, meaning we are in an uptrend move. Now, guys, pay attention to what GBP USD has been doing. This is our 10-period simple moving average, which we are going to take it to be our confluence zone. So markets once came close to this level, our 10-period simple moving average, then a bounce was made. Market was able to come back again to tap our 10-period simple moving average, which served as a confluence, a rejection zone. The market was able to push up and then it came back again, came close to our 10-period simple moving average. Then we had a rejection. Now market has now come back again to tap our 10-period simple moving average. We had to expect a rejection. So we had to expect markets to hit a level of 1.36234. So a level of 1.36234 is what we had to expect GBP USD to actually push up and hit the level. Now let's drop down to our 4-hour time frame. One more thing, guys, a buy is what we have to expect. So let's see if we can plot in our trend line. So this is our with this level right here, probably our trend. So this is our touch here. So basically, for you to plot a trend line, there must be a minimum of 2 touch. So we can see this is a touch. This is also another touch. So there is also another touch right here that made market to bounce. So market is at this trend line. So of course, it's not be surprised that markets will come to a level of 1.36234 for the day.